Design terms you should know. Design terms encompass a wide range of vocabulary that graphic designers, product designers, and creatives often use to communicate concepts, techniques, and processes in their work. Composition. Composition is the way elements are arranged within a design to create a visually appealing and cohesive whole. It helps establish balance, focus, and flow, guiding the viewer's eye through the design effectively. Balance. Balance in design refers to the even distribution of visual weight, ensuring that no part of composition feels too heavy or overwhelming. A balanced design helps guide the viewer's attention smoothly across the layout, making it more visually pleasing. Alignment. Alignment might need to follow a certain scale. It refers to the position of elements on the layout and the way visual elements are arranged so that they line up. Alignment can be left, right, justified, or centered. Contrast. Contrast is the level of differentiation between design elements used to create visual hierarchies. The variation may be in form, color, or size.
Thanks for watching. Try these tips and let us know in the comment section.